problems 1 through 4 from the Quadratic Unit Assessment Review. So we're going to do these with a calculator. You could also achieve the answer by doing it by hand. So in the first one, we're going to plug it in. 4 plus 9i times negative 10 subtract 2i. And the correct answer is negative 22 subtract 98i. And this is in standard form because the real portion is first and the complex portion is second. Okay, so this one I am going to do by hand. Remember that I squared is the same as negative 1. And you can't take the square root of a negative, so this pops out front and becomes an I. And I know the square root of 64 is 8. Two negatives multiply to give you a positive. The square root of 81 is 9. I combine like terms to get 14 plus 9i, and it is in standard form, real portion first, imaginary second. For some of you, you're going to find number 3 to be faster just to do with mental math. Others will choose to use a calculator. So it's 4 subtract 11i, subtract 10 subtract 13i, and the correct answer in standard form is negative 6 plus 2i. Okay, so how do we do this problem? Remember, your final answer cannot contain an I in the bottom, so we're going to multiply by the conjugate of the denominator, which means I take this and I switch the sign, in this case from a subtraction to a positive. Now I'm going to multiply at the top using a calculator, and I'm going to multiply at the bottom. So there's multiplying the numerator, multiplying the numerator. Numerator results in a negative 29 plus 29i. And now I'm going to multiply the denominator. And get an answer of 29. Okay, so we want to write this in standard form. So we can see this is going to reduce. 29 has to be shared with both portions. So I share it with the numerator in the top section, and I share it with the numerator in the top section on the right. This divides to give you a negative 1, and divides to give you a positive 1.